Hello guys, this is the continuation of Caro-kann part 3. Okay, yeah, over here we are going to see the opening and the main moves of opening. Okay, yeah, and I will flash you the notes too once again. Yeah, this is a note, okay, of advance. We had first seen the notes of variations and all ahead also, but over here we are just seeing the about the advanced variation. See, classical variation notes I have already given in the video earlier. Now today what we in the part 3 what we are going to do is this moves. Okay, yeah, you can just copy it for yourself in your notebook and it will be easier for you to remember the things. Let's start. You can take a screenshot from there and let's now see the main moves of the opening. E4, c6, d4, d5. Next move, if he pushes the pawn, we simply play bishop f5. Okay, getting the bishop out. When we want to play e6, we just get the bishop out. Simple idea. Guys, remember with the idea. We are not by hearting right now. Okay, that would be in the memorizing video. Memorizing the Caro-kann playlist is there. You can memorize from there. Okay, yeah. Bishop d3, bishop cross d3, queen cross d3. Next move, we play e6. Currently, we are just seeing the logic and the reason behind every move and how to play. Next move, knight f3, knight e7. See, simple, equal development. Okay, he develops, white develops another knight, knight c3. We develop knight e7. Developing knight, equal. Okay, next move, white goes for castle. Now what we do, we start attacking his center, the pawn which is behind, the support of this pawn, okay, to break the center. So we play c5. Next move, he plays bishop g5 to pin the knight and the queen, okay, so that this knight cannot be moved and the bishop will be closed. So we cannot give support. So what we plan to take the queen out. But if we go directly, the knight will attack us. And we go back, there is a silly trap, be careful with that. If you play this, the knight will come over here. Now, if you again go back, no, the knight comes and you are checkmate. Yeah. So that is the reason you cannot let the come knight over here. It is a very big problem for you in the future. So just go for a very simple plan. What? Don't let the knight come over here. And that is why the move comes a6. In future, it will help you to push the b5 pawn push also and attack on the queen side. Okay, if you wish to. Understood? So a6 is a very good move. Like you remember, we had learned it in the Sicilian Nash-Droff variation. Remember, the a6 was played over there also with the idea of b5 pawn push and stopping the opponent's piece from coming on this square. Okay, so just a5. Next move, yeah, a6, and it's done. You have to need to remember only this much. In case if it brings the rook out as a next move, just simply you can take as a queen c7. This much is done. Queen c7 is not written over here. The move last what I gave you is a6. Okay, bishop g5 and a6, stopping the knight. Okay, if you want, you can write in addition over there. This queen, rook fe1 and queen c7. Okay, if you want, then otherwise it's fine. You just know the idea, so you will be able to do it. Okay, just seeing it for the one last time, so you remember the main moves. E4, c6, d4, d5. Pawn push, that is e5, bishop f5, bishop d3, bishop cross d3, queen cross d3. Okay, next idea. Making the triangular pawn structure. Okay, cementifying the pawn structure. So get a solid pawn structure. E6, developing the knight. White develops a knight, black also. Knight d7, developing it. White, knight c3, developing a knight, then black also does the same thing, develops another knight, knight e7. Then short castle, and when we get a chance, we will quickly try to break over here. He break his center, we play c5. C5 is an important move in Caro-kann, don't forget it. Next move, he plays bishop g5 to pin us, and we want to stop the knight from coming in. So what do we play? a6. Done. Only this much is Caro-kann advanced variation, and this much is sufficient for you to start with the basics of the Caro-kann. Okay, you can learn the opening for 10-15 moves for like a grandmaster preparation, 25 moves, but that is afterwards. For now, you should start with the basic in this much manner and with this much knowledge, and now you can play ahead. Queen c7 is the plan. Sorry, queen c7 and knight c6. Queen c7, knight c6, h6 is your plan, getting the bishop out, going for a short castle. Okay, and then you can attack on the queen side. It is a very simple way to play for you. And with this, we will just stop this video over here. Yeah, and you can check out my next video of Caro-kann part 4 on the exchange variation, where the pawn, instead of pushing ahead, pawn goes and kills the pawn. Okay, so we will stop this video over here and make sure to check out the part 4 exchange.